Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Genesis emblem. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a heat gun or hairdryer, some strong fishing line, a plastic pry tool, and an adhesive remover. Don't forget painter's tape to protect your car's finish. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and prevents any frustration. A clean workspace is also key for a successful emblem swap. Now let's remove the old emblem. Use your heat gun on a low setting, moving it back and forth over the emblem for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This softens the adhesive, making it much easier to work with. Next, take your fishing line and, using a sawing motion, work it behind the emblem to cut through the softened glue. Once most of the adhesive is cut, gently pry the emblem off with a plastic tool. With the old emblem removed, it's crucial to clean the surface thoroughly. Use an adhesive remover to get rid of any sticky residue left behind. Apply it to a soft cloth and gently rub the area until it's perfectly clean. After that, wipe the surface with rubbing alcohol to remove any oils or contaminants. This ensures a strong bond for your new emblem. Make sure the area is completely dry before proceeding. Finally, it's time to install your brand new emblem. Peel off the backing from the new emblem, exposing the adhesive. Carefully align it with the original position, taking your time to get it just right. Once aligned, press it firmly onto the surface, applying even pressure across the entire emblem for about 30 seconds. For the strongest bond, allow the adhesive to cure for at least 24 hours before washing your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.